Nestled on the northwest coast of Malaysia, Penang Georgetown stands as a unique blend of cultures, history and modern city charm. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, these vibrant locales serve as a reflection of different architecture and cultural backgrounds that have shaped the area over time. With its alluring street art, colorful colonial buildings and world-famous cuisine, Georgetown leaves an indelible impression on both first-time visitors and returning travelers alike. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the highlights of Georgetown. Be sure to check them out on the next visit to Pinang. Hi guys, good afternoon. We are now standing in the ground of the Penang Peranakan Museum, one of the UNESCO Heritage Site, guys. So in a short while, we'll be taking a tour. There's a tour inside, so I start at 1:30, so about 5 more minutes.
Hi guys, we are here today at the Penang Peranakan Museum, and we're going to try out dressing up as a traditional Nyonya and Baba. Very excited, can't wait to see how we'll look like in the traditional Peranakan costume.
Now it's my turn to, put on the Baba clothes, right? For her it's a Nyonya, myself is a Baba because guys Baba, woman Nyonya. Ready to walk the museum in our outfit, so
Mr. Baba and
right. So always remember the wife must be on your right hand side because she's always right. Why the first step is made of stone.
Okay.
Well, things must be built on solid foundation, right guys? So that's why they believe in feng shui, solid foundation. As it goes up, there's a mid landing. Why? Because in anything that you do, you must take a rest before you proceed, right? So it goes all the way up there, and that's why they say, see you up there guys. Hi guys, we are at the Pinang, the top Comta Tower, alright, the iconic entertainment tower. Right now we are on the 68th floor. This is the highest building in Georgetown, Penang, standing at 251 meters. Right guys, here we have the Rainbow Skywalk. Let's take a walk. Check it out guys. Let's check it out guys. Look downwards guys. Come on. Isn't that neat? So we're actually 251 meters above. Now check out the panoramic view of Penang. 360 degrees. We have to go around the whole tower, guys. Right? So when you guys are here the next time, to drop by the Comta, right, guys? Incidentally, this is a place where you can eat, learn, and play. There's a theme park below with 18 theme attractions.
How does it feel?
Well, I'm a little bit nervous with height, but again, they're quite safe. These are safety tempered glass. Nothing's gonna happen, guys. Nothing's gonna happen, guys. So next time, give it a try, guys. Come on, let's finish it up, right, guys? Just a couple more meters. Well, there you have it, the Rainbow Skywalk. So guys, I'm over at this gift corner. You know, it's a tradition to buy fridge magnet wherever we go. So, you know, to put it on our fridge so we know where we went. So right now I'm here checking out the fridge magnet. Check it out, guys. There's so many kinds, so I don't know which one to choose, but anyway, we have to choose one. Only one, guys. Here you can see a fake dino. Isn't it cute? Well, I don't know why they put it behind the glass. It won't bite you anyway. So anyway, paleontologist is one who will study about dinosaurs. They pick up the bones, they dig it up. Somehow like an archaeologist, right? Alright guys, there are three periods in the dinosaur period. They call it the Cretaceous period, Jurassic, and Triassic period, guys. Meaning that different years, you know, guys. Do you know that the dinosaur, they are extinct 65 million years ago? So, without much ado, let's go and check out the other dino. You know, dinosaurs means big lizard, alright guys? Fishes from the South America called the Amazon. So over here you can see a red-tailed catfish. They can grow to be really big. These are the smaller ones. You can see the tails red, called red-tailed catfish. Over here you can see a school of Peranakan. No, Peranakan per se they don't eat on anything except fruits. Fruits from the trees in the Amazon. So the teeth actually look like human teeth. Right guys, but unfortunately we cannot show you here, but then you can go check it out on Google, right guys? So yeah, red-tailed catfish and Peranakan guys. It's what we call the African lungfish. Why they call the lungfish? Because in the dry season in the river Africa, it's all dried up and hairy. This fish called the lungfish. They actually wrap themselves in mud, or they dig themselves in the mud, and then keep the moisture. They can go without water for probably years on end. And when water comes back again, fill up the river, there they will be crawling out from the mud hole. That's why they call the lungfish. Nice. This building behind me is called the Blue Mansion, or the Chongfatsu Mansion. It was built in the year 1880, none other by the late Mr. Chongfatsu, right? Now, Chongfatsu is an immigrant from China. Well, surprisingly, he did not come to Penang first. He went to Jakarta, right? Where he worked as a shopkeeper, what they call water carrier. And from there, he became rich. He became a businessman, politician, philanthropist. Right, guys? And after that, he made his money in Pinang, right here. Alright, guys, so behind me, as I said, the Blue Mansion. Do you know why it's blue? Well, because when Mr. Chong first built the building, it was in white. So he said it looks, like a very, very, what you call, dead building. So he painted in blue. During the time, indigo blue was really popular. Right, guys? It came from a plant, indigo blue plant. And then mixed with lime wash. So why lime wash? Because lime wash prevent fungus from growing on the building. And this building has been awarded the Conservation and Heritage award under UNESCO, guys. So without much ado, let's go in and check out the mansion, guys. And yes, before I forget, you can actually get a room here and stay, right? It's a boutique hotel, but there are certain urban legend to it, guys. Well, I'm not afraid of urban legend or seeing anything at night. Well, feel free to come here and stay a night or two, guys. Hi guys, we're in Georgetown, Armenian Street. You can see it's been raining since late afternoon. So this is the street, Armenian Street. A lot of shops, a lot of eateries, a lot of cafes, a lot of pubs, and there's some street art along the road.
Well, it's been raining nearly the entire afternoon because now is the rainy season in Penang, being December, year end. So darling, what would you like to say?
Well, this street, whole stretch of street is very, popular with tourists. The shops, pubs, souvenir shops, eateries, everything you can find here. Cafe as well. So, yep, we thought we did drive through because, like my wife says, it's been raining since afternoon. So, just to show you guys how it looks like, right? So next time you're in Georgetown, Penang, you can check out this street, right? Armenian Street, guys. Hi guys, we are now at Chiu Jetty, alright? A must-see when you come to Georgetown, Penang. Now, how this jetty came about, long time ago, the Chinese immigrant from China came over. Now there are 7 clans all together, united at this place, the jetty they call it. The houses were then on stilts and pontoon, right? Just to name a few clans, they have a Chiu, Tan and Lim, alright? This happens to be a UNESCO Heritage Site. So guys, next time when you come over to Penang, Georgetown, to pay a visit to Chiu Jetty. So guys, today at Chiu Jetty, the descendant of the 7 clans are still staying here. Alright guys, as you can see behind me, just one of the houses here. They're all together 75 units. You can see, check it out now, it's low tide. The houses are all on steel. Right, during those times they're on wooden steel, but today they're reinforced with concrete steel. All right, behind me you can see a lot of shops here, eatery. You know, you guys come here and pay a visit. You can actually shop around for souvenirs, or you can check out those eateries. Right, look at the roof of the houses. They are tapered this way. Why? Because of the heavy rainstorm during that time. They designed this way to channel off the water. All right, guys. So let's go and check out further down the jetty and see what we can find. Guys, let's go. So guys, we have come to the edge of Chiu Jetty right here, and behind me is the mainland of the peninsula of Malaysia. Right, I wonder if you can see on my left, right in the distance, that is the 13-kilometer long Pinang Bridge. There are actually 2 bridges, 2 crossings, one's over the other end, right guys? So, yep, check out this place. It's pretty much like what they call old jetty, and some boats here and there. It's a pretty nice place if you want to come, you know. And today being after the rain, it's quite cooling. Right guys, see you, bye bye.